Good morning. Myself Sani, S1 Batch Civil. Today I am here to present a topic based on 7 wonders engineering feats. These are the headings that I am going to discuss in this module. First, Delta Works. Delta Works is a series of construction projects in the southwest of the Netherlands to protect a large area of land around the Rhine-Meuse Shell Delta from the sea. The works consist of dams, sluices, locks, dikes, levees, and storm such barriers located in the provinces of South Holland and Zeeland. The delta was consisting of 13 sections together form the largest flood protection system in the world and are definitely worth a visit. The aim of the dams, sluices, and storm such barriers was to shorten the Dutch coastline, thus reducing the number of dikes that had to be raised. Along with the Zuiderzee walls, the delta walls have been declared one of the 7 wonders of the modern world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. The second one is Channel Tunnel. The Channel Tunnel, also referred to as the Eurotunnel, is a 50.45 km railway tunnel that connects Folkestone with Congles beneath the English Channel at the Strait of Dover. It is the only vessel link between the island of Great Britain and the European mainland. At the lowest point, it is 75 meter deep below the seabed and 150 meter below sea level. At 37.9 kilometers, the tunnel has the longest underwater section of any tunnel in the world and is the third longest railway tunnel in the world, being just 150 meter longer than the Yulhyeon Tunnel in South Korea. The speed limit for trains through the tunnel is 160 km per hour. Since at least 1997, people have attempted to use the tunnel to travel illegally to the UK, causing many migrants to head towards Calais and creating ongoing issues of human rights violations, illegal immigration, diplomatic disagreement, and violence. The third one is Empire State Building. Empire State Building is a 1 or 2 story Art Deco skyscraper in Midtown Manhattan, New York City. It was designed by Sriram and Harman and built from 1930 to 1931. Its name is derived from Empire State, the nickname of the state of New York. The building has a roof height of 1,250 feet and stands a total of 1,454 feet tall, including its antenna. The Empire State Building stood as the world's tallest building until the construction of the World Trade Center in 1970. Following its collapse in 2001, the Empire State Building was again the city's tallest skyscraper until 2012. As of 2020, the building is the 7th tallest building in New York City, the 9th tallest completed skyscraper in the United States, the 40th tallest in the world, and the 5th tallest freestanding structure in the Americas. The fourth one is CN Tower. The CN Tower is a 553.3 meter high concrete communications and observation tower located in downtown Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Built on the former railway lands, it was completed in 1976. Its name CN originally referred to Canadian National, the railway company that built the tower following the railway's decision to divest non-core freight railway assets prior to the company's privatization in 1995. It transferred the tower to the Canada Lands Company, a federal crown corporation responsible for real estate development. In 1995, the CN Tower was declared one of the modern 7 wonders of the world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. It also belongs to the World Federation of Great Towers. The sixth one is Panama Canal. Panama Canal is an artificial 82-kilometer waterway in Panama that connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. The canal cuts across the Isthmus of Panama and is a canal for maritime trade. One of the largest and most difficult engineering projects ever undertaken, the Panama Canal shortcut greatly reduces the time for ships to travel between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. enabling them to avoid the lengthy hazardous Cape Horn route around the southernmost tip of South America via the Drake Passage or Strait of Magellan, and even less popular route through the Arctic archipelago and Bering Strait. Panama Canal has been in operation for more than a century. The United States completed the canal in 1914. The waterway remained under its control until the end of 1999 when it was given to Panama. The canal links two oceans, the Atlantic and the Pacific, through a system of locks. Deforestation, desertification, water pollution, accessibility to potable water, and inadequate sewage facilities threaten the environment and the very health of the Panamanian people. The fifth one is Golden Gate Bridge. Golden Gate Bridge is a suspension bridge spanning the Golden Gate, the 1 mile wide strait connecting San Francisco Bay and the Pacific Ocean. The structure links the US city of San Francisco, California, the northern tip of the San Francisco Peninsula, to Marin County, carrying both US Route 101 and California State Route 1 across the strait. The bridge is one of the most internationally recognized symbols of San Francisco and California. It was initially designed by engineer Joseph Strauss in 1970. It has been declared one of the wonders of the modern world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. The Frommer's travel guide describes the Golden Gate Bridge as possibly the most beautiful, certainly the most photographed bridge in the world. At the time of its opening in 1937, it was both the longest and tallest suspension bridge in the world, with a main span of 4,260 feet and a total height of 746 feet. And finally, 7 one is Itaipu Dam. Itaipu Dam is a hydroelectric dam on the Parana River located on the border between Brazil and Paraguay. The construction of the dam was first commenced by Argentina, but the negotiations and resolution of the dispute ended up setting the basics for Argentina Brazilian integration later on. The name Itaipu was taken from an islet that existed near the construction site. In the Guarana language, Itaipu means sounding stone. The Itaipu Dam's hydroelectric power plant produced the second most energy of any in the world as of 2020, only surpassed by the Three Gorges Dam plant in energy production. It is one of the highest and largest hollow gravity dams in the world. I would like to conclude by saying a quote by Amit Kalandri. Nature has created countless number of wonders. We got a long way to go as men have created only 7 wonders. Thank you.